सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
Hello guys, here we are going to discuss about Char Ploth. This project has been guided by Dr. Gupteshwar Sonawne sir inside surgery department at KVTR Ayurvedic College, Borari.
Firstly, we have to define Char. तत्र शरणाद शरणाद्वा शार। शरणाद दुष्ट त्वक मांसादि चालनाद शातनाद इत्यर्थ, अर्थात दूषित त्वचा मांस का क्षरण करने वाले कारण इसको शार कहते हैं। अब हम क्षार की श्रेष्ठता के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। आचार्य सुश्रुत ने सूत्र स्थान के 11वें अध्याय के 30 श्लोक में क्षार की श्रेष्ठता का वर्णन किया है। शस्त्र अनुशस्त्रेभ्य क्षार प्रधानतम छेद्य भेद्य लेख्य करणात् त्रिदोष घनत्वात् विशेष क्रिया अपचरणाच, अर्थात शस्त्र और अनुशस्त्रों में क्षार सबसे प्रधान है, क्योंकि शस्त्र एवं अनुशस्त्र का जहाँ उपयोग नहीं किया जा सकता वहाँ पे क्षार का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। छेदन वेदन लेखन क्रिया करने में क्षार समर्थ होता है, त्रिदोष घन होता है, विशेष क्रियाओं को करने में क्षार श्रेष्ठ होता है। आफ्टर दैट देयर आर नंबर्स ऑफ ड्रेसिंग मटेरियल गिवन बाय सुश्रुत लाइक कवलिका, विकेशिका, पीचू और प्लोतो। फर्स्ट कवलिका द्विगुण चतुर्गुण मृदुकर्पट विपचिताम कवलिका, अर्थात व्रण को आघात से बचाने के लिए एक मृदु वस्त्र की 2 या 4 परतें बनाकर व्रण पर चढ़ा दी जाती है, उसे कवलिका कहते हैं। सेकंड विकेशिका तिलकल्क मृदु घृताक्त वस्त्रस्य सूत्रस्य वावर्ती विकेशिका, अर्थात किसी वस्त्र पर तिलकल्क मधु घृत आदि औषधि लगाकर व्रण पर रख दिया जाता है, उसे विकेशिका कहते हैं। थर्ड पीचू पीचू स्थूल कर्पटिका, अर्थात पीचू विकेशिका का स्थूल रूप होता है जिसे क्षार के रूप में उपयोग करते हैं। फोर्थ नंबर पर आता है प्लोत प्लोत वस्त्रम, अर्थात प्लोत वस्त्र का एक टुकड़ा होता है, इसे क्षार में भिगोकर व्रण पर प्रक्षालन हेतु प्रयोग में लाया जाता है।
Now we are going to discuss introduction of Char Ploth. Among that we selected Ploth, that is medicated gauze, as a dressing material which can be used as for a deep and the broader wound and ulcer. This Char Ploth was prepared with the help of Snowy Sheer, Apamarg Char and Haridra. This Char Ploth is prepared similarly with the concept of Char Sutra preparation under the guidance of Dr. Gupteshwar Sonawne sir. During the preparation of Char Ploth, it is coated with Snowy Sheer, Apamarg and Haridra. All these drugs are Sodhan and Ropan in property. For the reason the Char Ploth is used for debridement or to remove unhealthy tissue and enhance the formation of healthy granulation tissue so that the normal epithelialization occurs early. Aims and objective of Char Ploth. First, to prepare Char Ploth with Snowy Sheer, Apamarg and Haridra powder. Second, the sterilized the Char Ploth. Third, the stabilized standard Char Ploth as a dressing material for a chronic wound and ulcer. Materials and method which is used in Char Ploth preparation. Preparation of Char Ploth was carried out at a KVTR Ayurvedic College, Borari, Department of Shalyatantra. Material: Snowy Sheer, Apamarg powder, Haridra powder, single layer of gauze piece, cabinet and wooden ring. Now we discuss the material one by one. Snowy Sheer. It is collected by incision the stem of a snowy plant. The secretory milk so obtained from incision should be stored in a pot, as the sheer thicked milk has tendency to coagulate early, required a fresh sheer every time. Second, Apamarg powder. Apamarg used in a powder form. Third, gauze piece. According to Sushrut, it is similar to the Ploth. it piece of woven surgical wool. A single layer of gauze piece used having a diameter 20 cm to the size of the circular ring cutting for the preparation of sharp cloth. Cabinet. It is used for drying the sharp cloth which are placed in a wooden ring specially designed for this preparation. The prepared sharp cloth with the wooden ring kept in an air-tight cabinet for drying, sterilization and storage purpose. Wooden ring. A structure of double ring is used to hold the gauze piece. With the help of this ring, the gauze piece can be held tight so that the coating of Snowy Sheer, Apamarg and Haridra should be made very easy and effective. The most important step, that is method of sharp cloth preparation. The gauze piece of size used in a diameter which is fixed in a double layer circular wooden ring. Gauze piece is made so tight that the coating is made uniformly. Initially on the first day, Snowy Sheer was applied over the gauze piece on its whole circumference with the help of brush. Hands should be gloved before smearing. The wet coated gauze with ring should be placed inside the cabinet and it is dry for a day. On the next day, the dry gauze was again smeared with the Snowy Sheer along with the Apamarg char with a brush and put it back in the cabinet to dry for a day. And on the third day, the dried gauze was smeared with the Snowy Sheer along with Apamarg char followed by Haridra powder for a day. Let it dry for a day in a cabinet. In this way, the complete the sharp cloth sealed in a polythene packs.
Indication. First, any open wound and ulcer. Second, recurrent wound, ulcer. Third, deep wound, ulcer. Fourth, superficial wound, ulcer. Fifth, infected wound, ulcer. Sixth, diabetic wound to remove sludge. Analysis of sharp cloth. Weight of plain gauze with wooden ring 17 grams. Weight of coated gauze with wooden ring 20 gram. Color yellowish. Shape round. Size 20 cm. pH value 8.80.
Now showing the photographs of sharp cloth preparation. This is the sterilization of plain gauze piece. Second, this is during the collection of Snowy Sheer. And this is the photo of first day of coating of Snowy Sheer by our respected teacher. And on the second day, this is the coating of Snowy Sheer and Apamarg char. And on the last day, that is third day, the coating of Snowy Sheer, Apamarg char plus Haridra powder. And this is the complete coating of all three layers. And at the end, this is the packing of sharp cloth. Thank you so much.